Hello everybody, it's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to you all. Your attention makes me very happy. Today we are gathered to deal with our last lesson in Module 4. If you remember, throughout this module we have seen the Browns preparing themselves for their trip to Edinburgh in order to spend their Easter holiday. Okay, so shopping in Edinburgh will be our lesson today. The Browns in Edinburgh are enjoying shopping. Let's start now with the warm-up activity. Write the appropriate word under each picture. So in the box we have the necessary vocabulary items. Let me read them. A. Shirt. B. Discount. C. Fitting room. D. Shop assistant. E. Dress. F. Sneakers. G. To try on. H. Boots. I. Pair of trousers. And J. Shoe shop. So shopping for garments. Here let me define the word garment. A garment is a piece of clothes. So we can say clothes or garments, they are synonyms. Both words are correct. So please think about it. Let's correct now. So picture number 1, a dress. Number 2, a shirt. Number 3, boots. Number 4, to try on. To try on, to be of the right shape and size. So the fitting room, number 5. The fitting room is a room in a clothes shop where you can try on clothes before buying them. Number 6, pair of trousers. Number 7, discount. So a discount is a reduction in the usual price of something. So we always ask for a reduction. That means to diminish the price of something. Number 8, shoe shop. Number 9, sneakers. Number 10, shop assistant. A shop assistant is a person whose job to sell products in a store. Let's move now to the next part of our lesson. So it's a listening comprehension. Listen to the conversation and take the right answer. So here is the conversation. Shop assistant. Hello, madam. Can I help you? Mrs. Brown. Yes, please. I'd like to buy that woolen skirt over there, please. Shop assistant. Which one? Mrs. Brown. The pleated one. Shop assistant. I see. It's a nice one, isn't it? It's made of a genuine Scottish tartan. Mrs. Brown. Yes, it looks nice. Shop assistant. It feels nice too. Would you like to try it on for size? Mrs. Brown. Certainly. Is there a fitting room? Shop assistant. Right behind you. A few minutes later, shop assistant. How was it? Mrs. Brown. It's a little too long. Shop assistant. What size are you? Mrs. Brown. 32.5. Shop assistant. Here it is. This is the right size. Mrs. Brown. How much is it? Shop assistant. It's only £30. Mrs. Brown. That's fine. Here is the money. Shop assistant. Thank you. I'll wrap it for you. Here you are. Thank you for visiting us. Goodbye. Mrs. Brown. Thank you. Goodbye. So read the questions and think about the correct answer. Here is the correction now. So Mrs. Brown is at the bank, at the clothes shop, or at the train station. So of course she is buying a garment. She is at the clothes shop. 2. The speakers are Mrs. Brown and a ticket agent, a bank employee, or a shop assistant. It's a shop assistant. Activity 2. Complete the table with information about what did Mrs. Brown buy. So here is a table that contains clothes item, description of the garment bought by Mrs. Brown and the material made from. So Mrs. Brown bought a skirt. It's a pleated skirt. So the material is woolen. Always clothes are made from different materials like leather, cotton, or silk. Question number 3. Where did Mrs. Brown try the skirt on for size? Choose the correct alternative. In the dining room, in the living room, or in the fitting room. So Mrs. Brown tried on the pleated skirt or her skirt in the fitting room. So the fitting room is a room in a clothes shop, as I have mentioned at the beginning of the lesson. Is a room in a clothes shop where you can try on a clothes before buying them. Now let's complete this table. So now we are dealing with the grammar points of this lesson. What you have to bear in mind are compound nouns. In the previous page we said a dining room, a fitting room. So these are called compound nouns, although they are made of a verb plus ing plus noun, like fit plus ing plus room. We still call them compound nouns. Let me give you some more examples. We have a driving lesson, we have a swimming pool, we have a washing machine. So these words are made of a verb plus ing plus noun, but they are called in English compound nouns. Compound nouns. Let's practice now. So here you are going to fill in the blanks or to fill in this dialogue between a shop assistant and you. So try to remember the dialogue between Mrs. Brown and the shop assistant in Edinburg. So here you have two students, student A and student B. Student A, you are the shop assistant in a shoe shop. A customer walks into your shop, greet him and offer to serve him or her. Student B, you want to buy a pair of sneakers. So try to use the different functions in order to fill in the blanks correctly. So think about it. Let's correct now. If you notice here, you are already familiar with some functions like greeting, like asking for permission or accepting permission. So shop assistant, greeting, hello madam, what can I do for you? You, I would like a pair of sneakers. Shop assistant, what color do you prefer? You, I like the brown ones. Shop assistant, what size do you need? You, 40. Can I try it on? Shop assistant, of course, the fitting room is there. You, how much is it? Shop assistant, it's 50 pounds. You, here you are, goodbye. Shop assistant, thank you, madam, you are welcome. Goodbye. So the new functions that you have to bear in mind are how to ask about color, how to ask about price, how to ask about size. Okay, so these are the new functions of this lesson. Thank you for attending and goodbye.